From a 300 ml container, a milkman removed 30 ml and replaced it with water. From the mixture obtained, he again removed 30 ml and replaced with water. He repeated the same process for the third time. Find out the amount of milk left in the container now. Now, we can easily solve this question by using the following concept. So, milk left is equal to the original quantity of milk, that is 300 ml, multiplied by. Now, the milkman removed 30 ml and replaced it with water. So, we have to do it like this: 300 minus 30 upon 300. Now, he's repeating the same process a total of 3 times. So, therefore, we will write it down like this: 300 minus 30 upon 300. 300 minus 30 upon 300. So we have here 300 into 300 minus 30, that is 270. Now we can reduce these fractions as 9 by 10, 9 by 10, and 9 by 10. Now two zeros can get cancelled out. Now we have 9 cube, that is 729 into 3 upon 10. So our answer comes out to be 218.7. So that is the amount of milk left after this 3 processes. So answer will be option C.